Adding and subtracting negative numbers. The first number in the question tells us where to start, so we mark a cross on the number line at the number 3. The sign in the middle tells us which direction to go, so we're going to go left in the negative direction, and the final number tells us how many jumps to do, so we need to do 7 jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we end up at -4, so that's the answer to this question. For the next one we do the same thing, so let's start at 4, mark that with a cross. We're going to go in the positive direction this time, so that's to the right, but we're going to do -2 jumps. So we're actually not going to go in the positive direction at all. You may think of doing this, 1 and 2, but since we're doing -2 jumps, we need to go backwards. So it's 1, 2. So we end up at 2, and that's the answer to this question. In this final one, we'll mark a cross at 1 and start there. We're going to go left, that's the negative direction, but we're going to go -3 jumps again. So this is where we need to change that direction. So you may be thinking of doing this, that's the negative direction, but if it's -3 jumps, it's actually 1, 2, 3, like this, and we end up at the number 4.